Hi guys, I would love to introduce you to our bundle of joy. What's in here is a deluxe travel size. This is a gift set that we put together for you guys of our hero product, Brighten Up. I'm sure whoever's watching this right now, many of you know of this product. It has a 4.5 star rating with over 200,000 reviews. It instantly shows you a difference in your skin. It instantly brightens your skin. It's meant to hydrate your skin. It's 99% natural and literally is an exfoliator. It's almost like getting a microdermabrasion treatment, but you can do it at home. So there's microcrystals in here that are dermatology grade. It's truly a miracle of product. And so what we did for you guys is put it in this cute little travel skincare bag. We put 6 of our deluxe travel size in here for you. This is awesome for all of you guys that love to travel. Our bundle of joy. I love this. Okay, bye.